Good morning, children. Standard 5 students. Today I am going to deal with the topic addition and subtraction of large numbers. This chapter is from your Unit 2. Worksheet 1, question number 2. Earlier I have discussed the addition of the large numbers. Children, I think you have done the addition and subtraction of 4 digits numbers or 5 digits number. Here children, I am going to deal with the subtraction of large numbers. Let's see. In the subtraction, there is always 3 factors are there. First factor is minor end, the number from which we do the subtraction. It is the greatest number. And the second one is subtrahend, the number which is to be subtracted from minor end. And the third one is difference, the result whatever we get after the subtraction. The other name of subtractions, that is subtractions, are also called as minus, differences, and also take away, left, etc. Now here children, 13,91,803 you have to subtract it from 52,09,123. So let us arrange these numbers according to the method of subtraction. Firstly, the greatest number, that is minor end, minor end is inserted, it is written first. So here this is a place value chart where I will give the entry of the minor end and the subtrahend. So let's give, I am writing minor end, 3 ones, 2 tens, 100, 9,000, 0 10,000, 2 lakhs, 5 10 lakhs. And the subtrahend is 3 ones, 0 tens, 8 hundreds, 1 thousands, 9 10,000s, 3 lakhs, 1 10 lakhs. Now children, this is the abacus, a model of abacus. I have used bottles. Now I will show you how to subtract using this abacus. Let us make the entry of minor end into the abacus, because we have to subtract from this minor end. So start from the ones, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So in ones place 3, 1, 2, 3. In tens place 2, 2 tens. 100, 9,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0 10,000, it means it is empty. This is 0 10,000. Now 2 lakhs, 1, 2, and then 5 10 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the numbers represented here is the minor end, which is 52,09,123. From this 52,09,123, I will take away 13,91,803. How? Now let's start. According to the rule of subtraction, we will start from the ones place value towards the extreme right side of the number. So 3 ones minus 3 ones. So 3 ones is already there. I'll take away 3 ones. So what is left? 0. Now come to this tens place value. From 2 tens, 2 tens is already there. I'll take away 0 tens. So I will not take away anything from it. So 2 is left. So it is 2 tens. Come to the hundreds place. In hundred place, 100 is there, but I have to take away 800. Is it possible? No. So what I will do, I will borrow from the next place value, that is greater one, nearest greater place value, that is 1000. I will borrow 1000 from this 1000 bank. This is the bank of thousands. So in 1000 place 9000 is there. I will take away 1000 from 8, and this value of 1000 will convert it here in 100 place 1000. So I will drop 1000 over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Correct? Now let's see. I have borrowed 1000 from 9000, so this will become 8, and this 100 will become 1000. 1000 will convert it into 100. 1000, 10 plus 1, it is 1100. Now let's see. From 11 I have to take away 8. Now from 11, this is 1100, I will take away 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. From 1100 I will take away 800. I have taken 800. No, how many hundreds are left? 1 2 3. So it's 3 hundreds are left. Now come to the 1000 place value. I have borrowed 1000 from this place value. So how many thousand will be left? 8000. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, from 8000 I have to subtract 1000. So I will take away 1000 from it. So how many thousands are left? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 thousands are left. 7 thousands. So it is 7000. Now come to 10,000. 10,000 place is 0. It is empty. I have to subtract 9 10,000. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. So what I have to do? I have to borrow from this lakh, greater place value. I will borrow 10,000 from this one. I have to subtract 9 10,000 from 0 10,000. So I have to borrow 10,000. So here in lakhs column 2 lakhs is there. I will taking 1 lakh. This 1 lakh will convert it into 10,000. So here I am adding 10,000. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. From 10,000, and this lakh, from 2 lakh I have taken 1 lakh, so it will become 1. From this 0 will become 10. So from 10 I'll take away 9 10,000. So I'll take 9 10,000 from it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how many 10,000 is left? 1 10,000. I have taken away 9 10,000 from it. So 1 10,000 is left. Now come to the lakh column. 1 lakh is there. From 1 lakh I have to subtract 3 lakh. Again there is a problem. So I have to borrow from 10 lakh. So from 10 lakh I will borrow 1 10 lakh, and this 1 10 lakh will convert it into 10. 1 10 lakh I am taking. So this 10 lakh will go into the lakhs column, and then I am adding 10 to 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now it becomes 11 lakhs, and this 10 lakh 4 5 10 lakh will be reduced to 4 10 lakhs. From 11 10 lakhs I will take away 3 lakhs. So I am taking away 3 lakhs from it. 1 2 and 3. So how many lakhs are left? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 lakhs are left. So here 8 lakhs are left. Now come to the 10 lakh. From 4 bangles are there. 10 lakh is there. I have to subtract 110 lakh. So I am taking away 110 lakh from it. So how many lakhs are left? Let's see how many 10 lakhs are left. 110 lakh, 210 lakh, 310 lakh. So this 310 lakhs are left. So children, now I am writing these difference using commas. 3817320. Now after first period I am inserting comma. First period I am inserting comma, and then second period is this, and 38,17,320. First comma I have inserted after 3 digits. This is the first period, and then after 2 digits this is the second period. So 38,17,320. So this is the difference, children. Now children, I am explaining another example. I will discuss it with another example. Now here the number is 25,18,624 and 40 lakh is a minor end and 25,18,624 is a subtrahend. So let's make the entry of the minor end first. 40 lakhs. Now